Today, I'm sharing the top Amazon products that I purchase over and over again that you may need in your life. Have you ever bought home decor prints off of Amazon? I feel like lately I have been buying several new options. Now this first one comes with the frame, so you can buy it all done together, and I put it in my front room. I just think it looks great. But another item I bought was just the prints, and then I went to Dollar Tree and bought some frames. I added a little bit of gold rub and buff to those frames, and then I added the prints off of Amazon to those frames. So it was a really affordable DIY, and now I have some great prints on the shelf in my front room. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is definitely a product that I would repurchase. Now the good thing about it is it's so big that it's going to last you a long time, but it's a great sleeping mask to put on at night right before you go to bed. It moisturizes your lips and you wake up, they're not flaking. I just feel like for somebody like me who has really dry lips, this is a nice product to have. Now I want to show you guys where you can find all these products that I'm going to be telling you about in today's video. So the first place you can find them is in the description box of my video. So there's going to be an arrow right here. Click that arrow and then the description box is going to drop down. Each one of these products I'm talking about are going to have a link next to them that you can click on them and it'll take you directly to the product. Another place you can find all these products are in the comments of this video. I am going to pin all of the products in the first comment of the video so you can go down and check the comments for any of these products. So hopefully you can find what you're looking for. I have a great travel hack for you. Whenever you're traveling and you need a razor, pick up one of these Venus travel razors. Not only is it going to save space because it's tiny and adorable, but it also comes with this carrying case. And I don't know about you, but I don't like to set my razor down in the shower whenever I get to a hotel. So this will keep your razor in there, and it even has holes on the bottom. So if you get any water in the case, it's going to drip out and dry. This has been one of my favorite new travel items. If you love the Dawn Power Wash, you can buy it on Amazon in a refillable pack. It comes with one Dawn dish soap and the refillable pack, so you can always have it and just refill it when you run out. If you remember last year, I was wearing acrylic nails from Amazon all the time. Well, this year I've been really preferring to have short nails, so I bought a gel nail kit off of Amazon. It had everything. It had the light, the gel nail polishes, and anything you need to do your nails. And I started using it. I do my nails about once a week. It lasts about a week. And my girls use the kit, I use the kit, and we went through a lot of the nail polishes. So I went on Amazon to see if you could just buy the nail polishes. I found a nail polish kit. It came with 36 nail polishes and a base coat and a top coat. So I repurchased these gel nail polishes. I love how well they work, and I've been doing my nails with these about once a week. Now I had to show you guys what I'm wearing because this is a repurchase item as well. This white shirt is by the brand Pretty Gardens, and I love it so much I've bought it in multiple colors. I have the white, the light pink, and the dark green. Also, these earrings. Now these are a silver hoop earring that I've bought in gold and silver. I love that they have the backs that just fold down on them, and I wear these probably once a week. If you get confused about what to put on your hair when you get out of the shower, which it can be really confusing, I have found this product to be a great option. I also buy it for my girls, and my girls have really thick hair. It's called One United because it does 25 different things to your hair. The best part is basically just it detangles your hair when you get out of the shower. It's also a heat protectant, and it helps to defrizz your hair. If you have kids around your house, you're probably always repurchasing these items. These are my sticky notes that I have that I keep over in my office supply drawer, but I like these larger ones because they're great for writing notes and to-do lists, and they're post-it style, so they have the little sticky on the back. They also come in a variety of colors. Now to write little small quick notes or maybe to put in my kids' lunches, I love these adorable star notes, so many fun colors. Now I wanted to show you where I keep these notes. In my pantry, I have a little drawer that I put all of my office supplies, but the little acrylic containers that I use to divide, I have repurchased these over and over again because these are so great to organize your drawers, and they're very affordable here on Amazon, but it's great for organizing drawers like this. I also just use these to organize my nightstand drawers. My favorite brand for bras on Amazon is the True & Co. bras. I have 3 different styles in this bra, but whatever material they make these bras out of, they are so comfortable. If you're looking for a very comfortable bra, try these out. I have a traditional one. I also have one that's in a razorback style, so you could really find one that's gonna fit your needs. When I was thinking about the items that I most repurchase on Amazon, my black joggers definitely came to mind because I wear these so much. You guys, I have 7 pairs of these and they are so affordable. I've had these now for so many years and I think they're around $16. If you have not tried them, give them a try. They're so comfortable. The sneaker erasers are a cleaner that you can use on your shoes. They come in a large pack, and if your kids are constantly getting their shoes dirty, or if you have a lot of shoes you need to clean, they work really well. Now you could just use a magic eraser as well. We use both of them from Amazon. On a normal day, I will just wear the Essence Lash Princess mascara. But on days you guys see me when I'm filming these videos, I am also wearing the Ardell lashes. I tried for years to wear fake eyelashes and I realized that I was getting them too big. So I found the Ardell 315 lashes. What I love about these lashes is they are only half size. So I will put a little bit of glue and put them onto the outside of my lashes. So I get a little bit of length on the outside and it does exactly what I need it to do, but I don't have to worry about the false eyelashes on the inside of my lashes. So if you've wanted to try false lashes, but you struggle with them, try the Ardell 315s. They have worked really well for me. I now buy them in a 4-pack over and over again off of Amazon. I bought some motion sensor puck lights to put in my closet. So every time I walk in, the light just comes on. It's so great. But I was just thinking the other day, I have this really dark cabinet that we try to get in and get our camera equipment out. I thought this would be perfect. So I'm gonna be repurchasing those puck lights to put in that cabinet. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Amazon. If you wear a lot of low shoes or sneakers like I do, these no-show socks are a great buy. You can wear them and you're not gonna be able to see any of your sock lines, and they also do a great job of staying up on your feet, and they're usually pretty affordable. I feel like the older I get, the more I find something I like, I just stick with it. And when it comes to what I use for my lipstick, I use one product. It's called the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. I have bought practically every color in like the mauve pink of these, and I wear it every day. It stays on really well, so it's perfect for me with filming. Maybe I have to reapply it once or twice, but even if I put it on at the beginning of the day, I will still have some color on my lips halfway through the day, even after eating. So I wanted to tell you guys my favorite color that's like my everyday wear color is called Lead the Way. It's just a great mauve pink color. The color I'm wearing today is called Seek Adventure. This one's more kind of like a hot pink color, but try them out. They're great and they stay on for a long time. Back in the fall, I got on this kick where I was purchasing all these different sets, and I would have to say my favorite set that I ended up buying in multiple colors is this waffle knit set. It has this really nice waffle knit button up, and it comes with a pair of shorts. The shorts are really comfortable. They have pockets with them. The first set I bought was in green. I liked it so much that I bought it in the beige color, and I'm pretty sure I'll end up buying another one. So every spring when I pull out my furniture from the winter, I find that I have a lot of outdoor pillows that have dirt on them or mildew. So I really didn't want to buy new pillows. So I found this product called 30-Second Cleaner. And what you do is you just spray it onto your pillow and let it sit out in the sun. And it really does remove a lot of those old stains. So if you're looking for a way to bring your pillows back to life, try this option. I struggled to find a dry shampoo that I liked. this one by the brand Clarane, they have several options, by the way, in dry shampoo. It works really well on my hair. I will spray it on, let it dry for a little bit, and then just brush it out. I love that it's really lightweight and it helps to make my curls last one more day. Another home decor item that I repurchase all the time are the rug grippers. Now, if you haven't seen these actually stick to the corners of your rug. And if you have one of those stubborn rugs that keeps folding up or rolling up, try this out. It will help your rug stay in place. Now, a planner is definitely something that I have to repurchase yearly, and there's so many options to choose from. I really like this one from Amazon. It's called the Get Stuff Done Planner. But what I like about it is it's more than just a planner. First of all, it doesn't have dates in it, so you can put whatever dates depending on when you're starting it. But I love that it has different things like goal setting. You can plan out your day, you can plan out your month. It has great goal setting tools, and I just think it's really well planned out. Bioderma is one of those products that I repurchase maybe once a year. This is what I use to take off my eye makeup. I love that I can put it on a cotton pad and then put it on my eye, and I can just gently wipe away the eye makeup. You really need an eye makeup remover that's going to gently remove your eye makeup, and this does a great job. So I will continue to repurchase this. These auto erasers are similar to the sneaker erasers. In this pack, there's 4 of the erasers in here, and you can use this all over your car. You can use it to clean the rims, the windows, your wheel wells, anywhere in the interior and exterior. So I'll definitely be repurchasing these because these are super handy to keep in your car. Not only have I repurchased this item for myself, I've also bought it for so many different gifts. This is the dust cleaning gel, and this is super fun. It's like a flubber. We have it in pink. We also have a blue one, but this does a great job cleaning in your car. You can use it on your dashboard, cleaning out your cup holder. You can also use it on any electronics you have. I think the best thing it does is clean your laptop, so you can run it along your laptop and really get it clean. But if you do buy it, make sure you keep it in your car, otherwise you'll forget you have it. Another item that I constantly repurchase are these tank tops. They're always on deal, super affordable. They're great to wear just by themselves. I have a black one, a white one, and a hot pink one, but they're also great in the winter. You can wear them underneath your cardigans or your button-down shirts. Have you guys ever tried a powder cleanser? It's really unique. I have this one by the brand Hanalei that I have repurchased. The way it works is when you put it in your hand, it's a powder. Whenever you add water, it foams up, and it's a great cleanser. I love to use it when I have a lot of makeup on like I do today. It does a great job of pulling off all the makeup and anything that I have on my face. I showed you my favorite lip treatment at night, the Laneige, but during the day, I love to use this Hanalei lip treatment. It's so good. I put it on in the morning after I wash my face and moisturize. I also keep one in my purse throughout the day. If my lips are feeling dry, I put it on. If you haven't tried it, it's pretty affordable and definitely one of my favorites. I would love to know if you guys are using essential oil diffusers anymore, or if you prefer candles. I feel like I kind of go through different phases, so I prefer to have both of them in my house. The essential oil diffuser I really like to use in my bedroom. You can use so many different scents, and probably my essential oils is what I repurchase the most. Some of my favorite scents to do in my bedroom are the lavender. Also, after I'm done cleaning, I love to put in the lemon scent. If you prefer candles, I really like the Lulu candles. Now, they are on Amazon. They are a soy-based candle, and the scent payoff on these candles are great. An item you won't need to repurchase with your candles is your rechargeable lighter. And this is the one that I like and have had now for years. The way it works is you just charge it up with a USB charger. Then anytime you need to light your candles, you just turn it on and press the power button. I know most of you guys have probably seen this product, but I could not leave this out of a what I repurchased, because probably this is the most repurchased item in this video, and that's my Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I repurchase this about every 3 months, but now my girls are wearing it too, so we probably buy it even more frequently. And because it's so affordable at $4.99, it's a great buy, and it's the best mascara I've tried. I wear it every day. I will put 2 coats on, and it also washes off really well. I use the Bioderma that I showed you earlier, but it's a great way to take off all that mascara. This next product is my moisturizer slash sunscreen, and I repurchase this about 2 times a year. I feel like I go through maybe 2 or 3 bottles a year. It has been the best sunscreen slash moisturizer that I have found. I have probably normal to dry skin, so it really helps with moisturizing my skin in the morning. Plus it gives me that SPF 50 to protect my skin. I would love to know what I'm missing out on. Let me know down in the comments, what are your top Amazon products? And make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.